Morning, Agent Engine Carbon Clean. Very early start in Nottingham this morning. Got a 7:20 booking. Now this one, not something you see every day. It's a Hymer S520, which is basically a Mercedes. Got a 2.9 diesel engine in this. 1998 model, this one. Now 143,000 kilometres on the clock on this one. Running very, very sweetly actually, this one when we got to it. No particular engine codes. There is a diagnostic port on this which we've connected into, and there's nothing in there. Running pretty sweetly. Owner just obviously wants peace of mind. Get this cleaned up before some decent trips over the summer. Yeah, nothing to say on this one. It was pretty quiet already when we got to it, but it's already christened up, and that base purr that was in that engine has gone now. About another 10 minutes to go on this one. But yeah, if you've got one of these or any other kind of motorhome, you want to get it nice and efficient before you trip away over the summer, then get in touch.